Took a pill in Ibiza. Show Ibiza I was cool. When I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it was something to do. Alright, I took a pill in Ibiza. Yeah, something like that. I'm gonna show you a couple different versions, and I figured out the leads and all that. I am a half step down. So first I'm just going to show you the Capo version because it uses familiar chords that people should probably know. But you will put your Capo on number 3 if you're on standard tuning. I'll have step down. So to play the song in just our regular shapings, you'd make an E minor shape, a D major shape, a C major shape, and a G major shape. I took a pill in Ibiza. Show Ibiza I was cool. When I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but it was something to do. And so, that's it. It's the same 4 chords. An alternative version that I like to play that I think sounds a little more full, but it gets trickier because we're using the bar chords. Making a G sharp minor, 2 on F sharp major, 2 on E major, and I'm using my low string, down to a B major. So altogether it'd be something like, took a pill in Ibiza. Ibiza I was cool. When I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it was something to do. And so that's a different version of chords you could use to get the same effect. There's numerous other ways also, but the leads are going to start on 6 on your G string. So it's go 6 on your G string, 4 on your B, 7 on your B, 4 on your high E, and sound something like. And then he does the high thing with his voice, which if you wanted to mimic that would be on your high E string, 7, 9, 11. So like all together. And it's all on those notes. It's a scale, you know. And yeah, that is pretty much the entire song in a nutshell without getting pretty fancy with it or whatever. But just your basics to get you going. Alright, thanks for watching.